All right, so this question comes in from Binary Glitch 64. Came here wondering, how does one go about knowing the water temp? Is there a water temp forecast prediction and / or water temp report measured? If so, where does one look for that info? Do you literally check it with a thermometer? If so, is there a special thermometer for fishing I should use? If not, what's the ideal thermometer? What depth do you check the temperature at the depth you'll be fishing? Surface temperature, the bottom. Got a video on the topic. I'm guessing oceanic water temperature reports exist because I've heard similar stuff in surfing reports, but lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams, I'm in a landlocked state, so oceanic reports won't help much. I want to start off by thanking Binary Glitch 64 for leaving me that comment. Let's pick through some of these questions about how do you check the water temperature? How do you figure out what the body of water, the temperature of the body of water you're fishing is? The most expensive way you could do it is by getting a fish finder, which goes along with a boat, and then you need batteries and a motor and all this other stuff. There's a lot cheaper way to do it. And originally I thought, when I first got this idea that I wanted to start measuring water, I thought it was very important because certain fish like certain temperatures of water. So you could be out on your boat, you could be doodling around. I thought if I just measured the temperature of the surface of the water, I'd get an idea of what the temperature of the water was. The problem is when you go down in the water column, the temperature will drop or it will warm up depending on the time of year. So in the winter, the bottom of the body of water is warmer. In the summer, the top of the body of water is warmer. At some point in between winter, spring, summer, there's a flip. We won't get into that right now. I went online real quick and I found like this green castable thermometer that sinks. Found this orange one. Various companies make these. What I typed in to the search bar was castable sinking thermometers for fishing. Those are 4 things I typed into Google and immediate results. Pick and choose whatever company you want, whatever. So these are what, if I didn't want to spend a lot of money, I think these are anywhere from $7 to $15, let's say. You want to leave the thermometer in the water, give it like a minute at the depth, just kind of hang out there, check your texts. You want that thermometer to get settled at one temperature. Once you're confident it's at that temperature, a minute or so should be fine. Reel it up and quickly look at that thermometer, and you'll be able to get a reading of the temperature at that level. Wherever the right temperature is for the fish you're fishing for, that fish is going to kind of be right around that level. You know, it's going to be kind of chilling right in that area. So if you're up in your kayak and you're fishing and you are in the wrong area, what are the chances the fish are going to bite it? Because they're not even there. Freshwater Fishing Novices, new viewers, I hope this video helped you somewhat this week. Learn about temperatures. If you want to learn the specific freshwater fish species and what temperatures they prefer, you should watch this video right here. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you next week.